Hello everyone, welcome to Bastukar, your own YouTube channel regarding civil engineering, all decoded to make it a very simple and easy approach. I'm engineer Ranadip Chakraborty. As in continuation to the series, I'm making for the videos with regards to the bar bending schedule. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to insert the shape of bendings in the Excel sheet, like whatever you are seeing over there in this Excel sheet on your screen. I'll be giving you a step-by-step detailed guide over here to create such bar bending shapes into the Excel sheet into different ways. You can do it. Number one, by directly into the Excel with the shapes already given in the MS Excel, and secondly by using the AutoCAD software and importing the shape of bending from there. Now when to adopt which one? Suppose your shape of bending is pretty simple, like a single span beam or even a two span beam, okay, where there are not many of ups and downs in the shape of bending. You can easily do it by the Excel itself. But when the shape of bending becomes a little bit critical, in that time, to save the time and to make it a bit easier, you can always do it in the AutoCAD and then import the same into the Excel. Let us just start with this video with hands-on approach. Suppose this is the Excel sheet or the format and you need to insert your shape of bending over here. I'll be creating a shape of bending for a crank bar of a single span beam. It is not important that to draw it in actual scale, but it is important to make it to the extent possible a proportionate figure so that it can be understood by seeing the shape of bending what you have drawn or inserted into the Excel sheet, and to imagine what will be the shape of bending in actual in the construction. So I'm creating a shape of bending for a crank bar of a single span beam. First of all, as we need to insert the shape of bending in this cell itself, that is the C6, this row is having a very less height, so we need to increase it by just holding our mouse pointer in the junction of the row number 6 and 7 and left clicking and holding it down and dragging it on the lower side to make it larger. Okay, alternatively what you can do is that you can select this row like this and go to the home menu, then to format, then to row height and increase the height. Say it is 61.5 right now. I want to increase it to a larger value, say 80. So I insert 80 and enter. See, it's getting larger. So in these two methods we can increase the row height. You can adopt any one of these. Now I'll make the shape of bending of a crank bar. So basically there will be a bottom continuous part, two arms on the upper part, two diagonal portion connecting the bottom continuous part and the upper arms on the both side, and will provide a 90-degree bend at the end. So let us create it. I'm going to the insert menu, then shapes, then this diagonal bar whatever is showing over here, it is written as line. Okay, so though it is showing as diagonal but it is a line. I'm taking this option. Now starting at any point, clicking on the left mouse button, I'm just dragging it and making it according to the length I want to. Okay, you can know whether it is straight or not because the thickness of the line, if you don't make it straight, will vary. This seems to be perfect to me. This is the bottom continuous part, and now I need to create the upper portion, upper straight arms on the both the side. So we can take the straight line option from the insert shape or we can directly select this line what we have created and just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, that is copy paste. So another line of the same character and attributes will be created. I'm just dragging this line in the upward portion and reducing the length like this, putting it a bit closer. Okay, this seems to be good. Now I need to put another one on the right hand side, so I'm just copy pasting it and putting it on the right hand side. Now I can see that this part, bottom part, is too larger. I need to create a gap on the 45-degree angle, so I'm reducing the bottom part. This seems fine. Now I need to connect this diagonal part and this diagonal part. Again copy pasting, rotating one point, connecting this one end with this one end, just placing it at the corner so it is visibly looks like it is connected. Same procedure for the right hand side. We can zoom it to check. This seems fine. And finally we need the 90-degree bend part at the end. I'm just copy pasting this straight line, making it vertical and just putting it over here. Again same thing for the right hand side. Now you can see that by default the color of these things are in blue, so we need to change it, because if we'll take printout of this, it will come in lighter shade. So I will just select this one, right click over it, going to format shape, then from the color I am selecting as black, and also the width, this thickness, I am just increasing it to 1 point or say 1.25. Doing same for the others. You can also do it at the very starting with the baseline, because afterwards you don't need to change for the each and all lines, as you will be copy pasting, so the attributes regarding the color and the thickness will also get copied automatically. Now our shape is fine. Now we need to mark the different parts of this shape of bending, like A, B, C, D, whose dimensions will be given in this chart like this. We won't be writing the dimensions over here, we'll mark it by some variables like A, B, C, D. Okay, so let us do it. For inserting the text at the right place where we need it, we just need to go to the insert menu, then click on the text box. Okay, then it will show as a vertical straight line. Our mouse pointer will be converted into a cursor like thing. Then we have to click at the proper place where we want to insert the text. Okay, I'm just clicking it over here. See, our text box came. Now I have to mark or give the text in it. I'm just writing as small a, okay, and just dragging it. We can also place the text in the proper places, like editing it for the middle center or the left aligned or the right aligned, wherever you want, as with other text in Word or the Excel itself. Now as in this case this right arm is of same length that of the left arm, I'm just simply copy pasting it by clicking near the text. A box appears. Now clicking on the box itself, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, it is copied and pasted. So I'm just dragging it on the right hand side. Similarly, we can mark other portions also. So by this way you can create the shape of bending of the bar bending schedule very easily. Now I'll show you how to do it by using the AutoCAD and inserting the same in the next video. So please do check out the next video itself and the previous ones where I have taught many things regarding the bar bending schedule. Please do subscribe to my channel and share it with all other civil engineers and construction enthusiasts to help this channel grow. Give a thumbs up as it helps to circulate the video and tells YouTube that this video do have some value. Till then, always feel proud to be a civil engineer.